In this tutorial, we will see how to use Bezier curve in QGIS. First, let's create a polygon layer. Let's go to layer and create layer. We will create a temporary scratch layer. Select polygon and OK. Now we can add polygon. If you do not see this polygon active, you can turn this on. Sometimes you cannot see this toolbar. In that case, you need to right click on the blank space and turn on this digitizing toolbar. If we deselect, it goes away. Now let's turn it on again and let's add a polygon. Now in the digitizing toolbar, click the bottom arrow next to the digitizing option. And previously we could use only digitize with segment, curve, stream and shape. Now we have digitize with Bezier curve option. If we select digitize with segment, we can digitize only with segments. Then segment will look like something like this, which is not continuous and smooth. But if we go for this Bezier curve, you can select one point and then in the next point, left click, hold your button and move. Then you can make Bezier curves. Using fewer points, you can make very smooth shapes. To move the handle of the Bezier curve, you need to go to this green point and select and move. If you make it longer, then your shape will also stick to it. If you make it shorter, then your segment will stick to it differently. With some practice, you can master this and make great smooth shape with few points. Now when you are finished, just click another point close to your first point and right click to finish. That's it. Thanks for watching.